Hello to our lovely viewers. I apologize for the delayed upload. We're headed to a museum dedicated to vintage cars, so we can cover and show you everything right from there.
We arrived at the museum's main entrance, purchased tickets from the desk, and headed toward the eye-catching collection of vintage vehicles, which we will also show to you all. Sharjah Classic Cars Museum ranged from 1974 MG Midget to a Model T Ford. This museum is segregated into 5 sections. The 1969 Mercedes Pullman Limousine, one of just 2,000 in the world, and built specifically for the ruler of Sharjah, is not to be missed. You may see your reflection in well-maintained and polished vehicles.
Sharjah Classic Cars Museum first opened its doors in 2008. It has undergone remarkable renovations and was re-inaugurated in 2013. Attracting tourists and visitors from all over the world, this museum is the ideal destination for classic car lovers. It is really a one-of-a-kind museum in the region, as it has on display more than 100 classic cars dating back to the early 20th century. As a result, our viewers can learn about vintage and classic automotive history and factual information through the photographs. Numerous well-known brands could be found there, including Maserati, Jaguar, Rolls-Royce, Henry Ford, Chevrolet, Volkswagen, and Skoda.
This place address, Sharjah Airport Road, between the 4th and 5th intersections, next to Sharjah International Airport, Sharjah. The exact location map is mentioned in our description box. Please feel free to get it from there.
Greetings, viewers. We would be delighted to have you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We're determined and hardworking to provide more of these significant and informative videos in the future. Having your complete support in the form of likes, comments, shares, and subscriptions would truly energize us. We're going to conclude this video here, but we'll be back soon with more of them. So please continue to follow us and stay in touch for more.